What's going on, YouTube? Angel here. We're just going to recap our trading session for October 15th, 2024, analyzing the 5-minute ORB strategy. And we're just going to do a quick trading recap. I had no internet yesterday, so apologies for this delay, so we'll just get straight into it. So on October 15th for the SPY, we can see this 5-minute candle here. So about 46 cents move. So actually this setting up looks like a really good, if we zoom in here, yep. So we can see kind of the breakaway down here. We're looking for a 584.44 for the retest. Nope. So it was close to sending you a 5-minute ORB strategy entry, but it didn't, and it did break away to the downside. Yes, it did. Wow, it broke past 581, broke past 580, and it kind of came back up to reclaim 580. Not so bad. If for the 5-minute ORB strategy for October 15th, no trade for the SPY, but this did set up nicely in terms of a bearish move just on the way the candles played out. Or it looked like a very nice sideways kind of action, even though it looked like it moved about 5 points. You could have captured a nice move in the AM session from this 2-point move, which is pretty much sideways. Let's go to HRB. Check out October 15th. Fantastic. So here we have about a 25 cents move. So we have the break up with this 945 candle. So we're looking for a retest of 60.68, which it does not. 60.68. Yes, it does at 225. So if you were still looking at the markets here, technically this is an entry, but it's a no trade in our book. And it did stop here, so you would have been in a trade for HRB, multi-day hold, but still a no trade for us. Let's look at Tesla. Alrighty, Tesla for October 15th. So no pre-market, so maybe a pre-market high of 20.70. Yeah, 20.70. So a huge big candle here. So this is a $4 and $4.38 move. $4.38 move. So it did break away downward. Yep, so starting here, it did break away to the downside weekly at about at this 1035 candle. So we're looking for a retest, and it kind of just blows past the retest. Yeah, right here. So if I draw the horizontal line right here for us for a short entry, we can see that even though it was testing here, you know what? Technically, I would have actually entered. Technically. Just looking in at a lower time frame, at the 1 minute. So if I look at the 1 minute, what did I say? Oh, this is on October 16th. Yep. So if I look here, October 15th, if I'm looking at a 1 minute entry, yeah, actually I would have entered this trade. Again, I was taking some other trades, but I definitely missed the ORB strategy. because it just looked very asymmetrical that this is a $4.38 candle, and this is a $1 move breakaway to the outside, and then it kind of just chopped sideways basically. Technically speaking, in terms of a strategic plan, this will be another short, but we're gotta wait until take profit is kind of a 212 mark for Tesla. Whether or not that's kind of within your risk parameters or in your strategy, but for us 2 to 1 or 1.5, so we're looking for a 214, 215 take profit for this stock on October 15th. But overall, a no trade day for us. We didn't take any trades, but we did make profit. Let's double check on the notes. We did make profit on a 0 DTE Iron Condor on the SPY, taking advantage of that sideways pattern in the AM session. So we walked away with good profit there. And we also scalped that downside. So I was able to identify, let's go back to the SPY. I was able to identify this downtrending move as it was chopping sideways and there was no action going on. I was able to identify it was going to continue going down, and I was able to capture some of this move. Now all of it, all the way down to even into the PM session, I wasn't able to, but to make a living, I think I did capture up to here, definitely before 10:30. So I did get a partial profit there, and we live to trade another day. So let me know if you guys have any questions for October 15th. I'll catch you guys in the next video.